Our final rhythm exercise in this set is basically, you don't have to write anything down, but what I want you to try to identify is if the excerpt I'm playing is in 3/4 time or 4/4 time. You want to listen to where the pulse is falling. Does it sound like you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1? Or does it sound like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? Does it move in 4s or 3s? And I'll give you time to think about each excerpt after I play it, but I'm going to play a complete excerpt with both hands to help give you a feel for the music. So this excerpt is moving in 3s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This little excerpt moves in 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. You can, if you tried counting in 3s, it would just not fit. It would feel really awkward. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Everything would kind of fall apart with that. So think about that too when you're trying to identify if it's 3s or 4s, try to feel out the fit. This one moves in 3s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, if you're trying to do 4s on top of that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. None of the notes kind of sync up or align with it properly. This one also moves in 3s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one's moving in 3s as well. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one definitely doesn't roll with 3s. It's got a very sturdy structural 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And out of curiosity, if you're wondering, all of the excerpts from the last month or so, the last 4 days or so have been from the grade 1 RCM book, just for convenience.